noMasauli.
Ngiyakutshela nje ubaba yakhe eseloboleka Cele waya kaMasauli, waya kaMayeni, waya kaMakhumalo, waya kwaMangwabe, waya kaMakhwela. Ihamba kanjalo.
Imake maqonje
I don't know if you guys got that. UmaCele is just mentioning ukuthi uMayeni kahle number 3. uMayeni is not number 2. uMayeni is not number 1. uMayeni is number 3. And given the reason that uMseleku uye kaMacele after Masaul, then it was uMayeni. So all of these rumors, all of these conversations, all the time saying that mina ngamshaya ngesitini or mina I'm supposed to be number 2 and she's supposed to be number 1. All of that, Macele is saying I'm not gonna entertain that because guess what? Selegu paid lobola to my family first. Then after he went and paid lobola to the other family, not even your family, but to the other family. Like, it's just so much drama and drama. And we are asking ourselves, no. Salegu, he came forward about this thing. He said, according to his words, he said, Mayeni is angry because I decided to go and pay for Umakele Lobola instead of her. So that will tell you that Umayeni then was already in the picture. And yeah, if Umselegu had paid for Mayeni's Lobola first instead of Makele, she could have been number 1. So they were both in the picture then. It's not one person that was in the picture and then the other person came afterwards. No, both of them, they were in the picture. But Umakele is owning the crown and she keeps owning the crown and she's saying, Mina nje, I am number 1 and will forever be number 1. Do you guys think Uguti Umakele is really like Undlunkulu? Is it like Undlunkulu by title? Or yeah, like as we dive deep into this, or uMacele is really like Undlunkulu?
uthwala icala kangaka
Lana.
lokuthi wena wathatha indawo.
Bafo.
Uthwala icala ngawo lokuthi wena wathatha
Umakele, I think somehow she finds this whole thing entertaining, because even when like Umayeni is not talking about this, you will still hear Umakele talking about it. You will still hear Umakele talking about it every single day. Yazi, when they say umuntu one guilty uyazizwa. Like, it's like, I mean, Umayeni is busy focusing on other things, and when you're busy going on and on and on and on about the same thing over every season. There's nothing new really that you talk about. Justin Mayeni and number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Anyway, Awandlunkulu, there we go.
indawo yomunye umuntu. uMasauli phela uyena futhi nje unumber 2 mekunjalo.
I-history nje iyekeni
Kahle uMato walanywa nguMasauli. Omunye unumber 3.
As the family has concluded, Macele's family, ukuthi kahle, person who comes after uMacele, is uMasaul. Umayeni lona hlezelwa naye number 3. She's not even number 2. She's number 3. Why are they talking about Umayeni? Like, why are they not talking about their family matters? Kukwacele laphayana. Why is it all of the sudden becoming Mayeni? Why are they not talking about Macele's situation, Macele's affairs, Macele's family, things that they need to deal with? They haven't finished with the discussions of the tombstone and how they're going to do the ceremonies and the ceremony and stuff. And they are going on and on and on and on and having a conversation about Umayeni. I do understand that they might feel it is necessary, hence why they're having the conversation. But Is it really, really necessary to have that conversation? I don't think so. Really, 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 I don't think so. I think they should have just put that energy into talking about other things.
olami uMasaulu number 3
Yes.
ukuthi uba nangimazi sesisho njalo ukuthi afika ngeke yeah
So basically, all of these, if we just conclude, we can say that this is just to boost Makele's ego. And guess what? Mission accomplished. The ego was boosted from this meeting. Yeah, Sizoza again. Sizoza again. That was the purpose.
yes sesisho njalo number 3 ayibisi ndelento Nkosi yami
Umakhela kahle kahle unumber 6.
kodwa oya
Whether Mayeni is number 3, whether Mayeni is number 4, whether Mayeni is number 5, whatever, that's none of their business. And the good thing is, Mayeni uzobatshela ukuthi yabona ke leyo ayinifuni leyo. That's none of their business. Even Umakhwela, if Makhwela is number 6, yeah, that's none of their business still. Just like, yeah, now Umakhwela, because at the end of the day, who knows best is the person who started this whole thing. I don't understand why Nina, the wives should be fighting over who's number 1, who's number 2, who's number 3. You are in the polygamy marriage. That's all. It doesn't matter whether you're number 1 or number 2. You are in the polygamy marriage, and that's it. That's just it.
kahle uyena umnikazi wayo
Iyona nami le ngisho
naye umalume kodwa ngiyafuna phela athi rescue lengane yakithi ngoba ngathi manje ngempela kukhona umuntu wamlukhuza omshaya emva kwendlela yes
khona lento le yesitini.
omshaya ngesitini
Ayashaya ngesitini guys yini ngeke ngasiqebeza ngoba namanje kusakuhlungu.
Oh dear. Oh, Makala is funny. She's a character for sure. Uti, I didn't do much drink. I'm shying esteem. Because even today, the pain is still there. The pain is still there. Well, Bakshang esteem, and you are number 1 now, you're wearing the crown, and it's till today. So, why? The question is, why are we having the situation kwaMusamsele? We hear Umakele uthi washaya ngesitini. She did the brick game. Ngapha, so what we can get here and what we can tell ukuthi Umseleko did not do things right. Maybe if Umseleko had done things the way he should have done things when he started this journey, ngabe ayikho le esiyibona today. And Makele saying that to the family, or talking about how good she is when it comes to this brick game and taking somebody's man, that proves that okay, now we know how this Mselegu polygamous marriage was built on. We know guys.
Isitini sikhulu asiceli futhi akuxoli. Ngixoleni bafethu.
mato wafika ke wafika neyindawo
Hayibo guys mncane.
As we have had Makele always laughing at the end and just saying, "Ayibo, kanti sidlula ndini, kanti sidlula nini?" Now the question is ukuthi hayi, kanti ubani odlulile, like, or who is still there? Are you sure Umayeni is still there? Or you just thinking that Umayeni is still there? Or perhaps Mayeni is still there, but what are you probably willing to do or can do to probably make things right, because just to say, ngoleleni, it doesn't end there and it can never end there. Well, as we continue to watch Usano Nesembo and as we continue to reveal more things and see the dilemmas and the families and how we feel about the show, guys, we definitely need to tune in and always appreciating your support every time. And Real Zaki News, we discuss every character, and thank you so much for your support. I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.